So right now we want to analyze the chart. So we want to start by going to check on the news that is going to affect the currencies today. We have the news that is going to affect NZD, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and we have a red folder here. Let's start with the orange one, Australian dollar, and we go to the second red folder. So we are now focusing on only the orange folder, which causes the markets to move faster. So we go to Australian dollar, and we have also Great Britain pound, we have Canadian consumer price index, we have US dollar ending home sales. So we have Australian dollar, we have Great Britain, we have CAD, we have also USD. So these are the currencies that are going to be affected today, and we need to see if we are going to have some significant moves in the markets which are going to be caused by the news. So we also need to check the latest news on this one. We will not be, this is what Trump said yesterday on Monday, we will not be doing the schedule of Iran tomorrow. So I think there was an attack which was planned to Iran on, I don't know, like on Tuesday or something. So but the US is now saying we are not going to do so because they have negotiated a deal with Iran, I think yesterday. So I think that's why the market yesterday did give us some crazy moves which was in the market. So right now we want to go to see all of those in the charts. So let's go on to it. We want to start with Euro USD. So USD yesterday, we want to remove some of the things right here so that chart will stay clean. So right here we want to start with what we are able to see. So this is my 4-hour chart, and the 4-hour chart is saying things that we can narrate to or we need to stay away from, because what I am able to see is that the market is reversing to the upside, and this is what I have said yesterday, that we need a reversal to the upside, and we received a reversal to the upside. Now I think we want also a move to the downside, because we need to liquidate at the zone that we think maybe the market is going to take. So we need to liquidate on it for us to continue moving to the upside. So this is our 1-hour chart. This is our 1 hour. Now we are now analyzing on our 4-hour chart for everything we want to see. But this is what we need to have. If the market is going to move to the upside, we need a complete liquidation of this lower side for us to consider a buy. So we will see according to what is coming in today from GBP, because Euro also will be affected by that news. So yes, we'll see it today. And I think on Euro USD, there is nothing I can say other than the market needs to liquidate only for us to be able to see, or it must give us some clear picture for us to have a clear trade that will be comfortable with it. So right now we'll go to USD card to see if we are going to have something there. So this is USD card. USD card, I said the moves are very strong to the upper direction. So I don't think there is a trade that we can say we need to jump on it right now, or any analysis that we can say we need to make on USD card. We go to USD So yesterday I exceeded the trade when I see the market started to moving down this. So this was my exit, because I thought maybe the market was going to continue moving up, but no, it didn't, because the moment I see that the market is not closing or above on this candlestick, this is the moment I said no, I need to close the trade, and I closed the trade. So right, and I did also consider the trend line that the market is following, and it is respecting it. So I said if it is not respecting the trend line, it must close above the trend line, above everything, so that it will pull back to that trend line and then continue moving to the side. But it didn't do so, so I closed that trade, and it was a nice trade. So what we are having right now, we need to see if we are going to have a trade or not, but we are going to find it for sure. So this is NZD USD. So we said we need a move to the upper side yesterday, and I think this is the type of move we are noticing right now. So I can't see if it is a strong move, but I will see during the day if it is going to be a strong move to the upper side. So on NZD USD, I can say there is something that is there that I need to consider that much, but right now we need a move to the upper side so that the market will go up and will take a trade. We'll try to find some trades that we can take during its upward movement. If we see the potential is higher, we will take the trades to go with it to the upper side, but we will see if it have momentum and the volume of buyers are there. So if the volume is there, momentum is there, type of candlestick and structure is there, we're going to take the market to the upside, and we'll see if it is going to do so. We'll go to AUD. AUD is the one that we have news today. So on AUD, we are going to receive news today, so I don't want to spend much of the time, because yesterday the move, if I was able to analyze this move, I was able to open a nice trade the downside, but I did not. So I will leave this one. And also AUD is kind of crazy. It's a crazy pair. It doesn't follow some of the structures. It only moves when it wants, and it will be consolidation when also. So right now we go to GBP USD. So GBP USD we are returning to the upper side like this. So on GBP USD, what we are able to see is that the market is going to the upper side, and this is not bad. This is not bad at all. But I think we are going to receive a move to the downside later, because we need a move to the downside. We need a move to the downside. I don't know when, but we need it. We are going to be looking for it, a move to the downside on GBP USD. So this is only the analysis that I can say, because we can consider this as a lower high and this is a lower low. So we need the market to reach maybe here for us to say yes, it have fully moved to the demand zone, not this level. So we'll go to NZD card. NZD card is also pushing to the upper side, but today we are going to see it moving to the downside, because yesterday we said NZD will be pushing up the card to the upper side, but the movements the card will create will be very, very fast to the downside. So this is it for NZD card. We'll go to AUD card. AUD card, no, again, because I can see the structure in the narrative and I need to know if I have chances to get in the markets and get out of the markets with profit. So it is hard. And this is BTC. BTC also, we are having some pullbacks here, but I think the markets are going to get into its original price, so they are going to go to its original price. But yes, and then this is AUD, this is gold. Yes, gold. On gold right now it is hard to say I have an analysis for it. I'll just see if it is going to give me what I want during the week so that I'll trade it, but I'm not going to give an analysis on it. But there is chances that the market is going to the upper side. GBP, we have chances that we are going to receive a downward movement on it. Some of the currencies are going to gain power today, are going to gain momentum, but this one, no. Euro AUD and GBP AUD, we want to get familiarized with it, so we want to be familiar with it so that we will know its characteristics and its type of moves, because it is just continuing moving to the downside. So we need to know what and where and why is that happening. But right now I can't find any reason why it is doing so. So we'll give it time and we'll see what is happening to it. And we go to card CHF. Card CHF, I think it wants to continue moving to the downside. I see some rejection on the daily chart right here, so I think the market wants to continue to the downside, because we said we need a pullback and we did receive a pullback. So I think it is going to continue to the downside, this one. And GBP NZD, I opened a trade and the trade was a loss yesterday. The trade was a loss. So right now I think the markets are going to do something, because I will just wait. So this was my first trade of the weekend. It was a loss. The market did move to my side and there was a big candlestick created, which then take me out of the trade, went direct to my stop loss and hit my stop loss, and just like that I was out of the trade. And we go to Euro NZD, yeah, it is moving down and I will see what it is doing so that we will be able to find something to trade later. But this is what it have, and I have no interest of trading it, but I will see if I'm going to have any moves that I can say yes, I can trade today. I'll update you during the day on my market analysis of the day, like when the London session is about to come in, I will do some analysis there. So this is GBP card. We received a move to the upper side, so this is what I think is also a pullback to the upper side, showing that this is a lower high. So we see if it is going to dip to the downside today, but I think it is going to be hard for it to dip to the downside. So yeah, this is it for Tuesday market analysis for the market. So we'll see what is going to happen during the day and I'll update you on the trade that I'm going to take. So see you in the next video.